This is how to make juicy Moroccan style roast chicken with couscous. It's a simple recipe and I recommend using a good quality olive oil, it really lifts the dish. You can marinate the chicken the day before to turn this dish into a speedy healthy weeknight meal too. Start by adding freshly ground toasted cumin seeds to your chicken, along with ground ginger, paprika, cinnamon, a good quality Ras-el Hanout spice mix, which consists of a blend of warm spices and some toasted ground anise seed. Add some salt and pepper, freshly minced garlic, lemon juice and plenty of good quality olive oil. Rub those spices into your chicken and leave to marinate for at least 1 hour, and then prepare your bed of vegetables. You can use whatever you prefer. I used onion, pepper and sliced carrots. Drizzle with more olive oil and season with salt, paprika and ground cumin before giving it a mix. Add your chicken skin side down and bake for 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius or until golden, before flipping your chicken and seasoning the skin with a little extra salt. Continue baking until your chicken is browned and cooked through. For your couscous, add a little butter and olive oil to a pan along with ground cumin and ground coriander. Let those spices fry for a few moments before adding fresh minced garlic and blended fresh tomatoes. Let the tomatoes cook with your garlic for a few moments before adding cinnamon, turmeric and black pepper. Cook until your tomatoes are no longer watery before adding a vegetable or chicken stock cube and boiling water. Stir and taste the stock, it should taste slightly salty, and then add your lemon juice. Add fresh chopped parsley to your couscous before adding your stock. The ratio of couscous to hot liquid should be equal, with 1 cup of couscous providing 2 servings. Cover and let your couscous steam for 10 minutes before fluffing it up with a fork, and spoon out plenty of that fluffy couscous before piling plenty of those vegetables on top. Add your juiced chicken and sprinkle with a little extra fresh parsley before spooning some of that delicious stock left behind in your baking dish all over your chicken. And that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please like, subscribe and click that notification bell. Thank you for watching.